guys, what's up? So I'm here with another review, and today I wanted to share with you guys my experience using the ProCase air muffs, okay? And this right here helps to reduce noise, okay? It's basically a product that helps with noise reduction. If you go to shooting ranges, and you want to reduce the sound, this is a product that helps to reduce the sound. Some people use these when they are trying to study, but I'm going to share with you guys what my personal experience was using this particular air muffs. Now, first and foremost, what I liked about this is that it comes in a lot of stylish colors, and as you can see right here, I have the purple and black color combination. And with this company, you have a number of styles to choose from. Another thing that I really like about this is that these air muffs are easy to secure. These are at a good size where you can actually adjust them so that they can fit in your carry-on bag, tote bag, or even in your backpack, okay? So I felt like these air muffs are quite adjustable in order for you to fit them in your bag for on the go, okay? And so inside of these air muffs, there is like foam material inside, and let me show you guys. Here it is. The quality, the way in which they made these air muffs, it is pretty good, okay? It is not flimsy material in my opinion. I felt like they did a great job with constructing this and making sure that the material is good quality. Now, the price of this at the moment is $20.99. Now, when it comes to noise reduction, I did notice that this product did help with reducing the noise, but it did not completely reduce the noise, okay? One thing I didn't like about these is that when it came to putting on this air muffs, it felt very uncomfortable on my head, okay? It feels extremely uncomfortable. I even tried to use it while I was sleeping. And, some people found it comfortable based on the reviews. Some people found it comfortable putting it on as they slept. But for me, it was a no-no. I didn't feel really comfortable putting this on my head. My ears tend to hurt. I would give this product 4 out of 5 for the material. Okay, I felt like the material was excellent and of good quality. I would give this product 4 out of 5 for the style. Okay, I like the style. And I would give this product 1 out of 5 for the comfort. And when it comes to the price, I probably would give this 4 out of 5 for the price. I think the price is okay. And, when it comes to noise reduction, it did reduce some of the noise, but it did not completely reduce all the noise. So I would give it probably 3 out of 5. So, if you're interested in this product, you can check out the information down in the description box. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next review. Bye.